Following a handful of last-minute leaks, Ford has finally unveiled the 2021 Mustang Mach-E, a dedicated electric SUV. Putting aside the obvious sullying of the Mustang name, the Mach-E is a relatively stylish crossover with an aggressive front fascia and a fully enclosed grille. The latter is surrounded by slender LED lighting units, and a sporty lower bumper. The aggressive design language continues further back as the Mach-E has a rakish windscreen, a coupe-like roofline and softly curved surfaces. The model also boasts bulging rear fenders, a dynamic greenhouse and hidden door handles that bring a touch of class to a mainstream brand. Unfortunately, the rear end isn't as lucky. It features a bloated tailgate with Mustang-inspired taillights that appear to have been tacked on with little thought to aesthetics. Putting those criticisms aside, the crossover also has a rakish rear window, a tailgate-mounted spoiler and a black lower bumper. While the exterior has hints of Mustang, the interior says Explorer. However, it's not as bad as that reference would suggest, as the Mach-E has higher quality materials and an improved design.